a little get ready with me, and probably a couple of days in my life while I'm off from work. So let's get ready. Hi guys, so I'm going for a meal out later on with my family, so let's do a get ready with me. I've already done my hair on a vlog that will be coming up, but now I'm going to do my makeup. And this is the final look. I'm going to put this lipstick on, but it's more like a lip balm, and this is my hair. So this is my outfit. I changed my top because it was looking a bit weird. But I've got my green top on and I've got a green jacket, my new skinny dip bag, and these smart trousers. And that's my outfit. And then this is my hair. This is my makeup. Hi guys. So it's the next second day. I had a nice meal out yesterday, and now I need to tidy my room. And I'm not gonna go full on shopping. I probably wouldn't buy much because I mainly want to just go and get like a card and stuff for Valentine's Day, because I want to come back and film a video that's like Valentine's Day outfit ideas and stuff like that. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be wrapping the stuff in here for tomorrow. Well, not wrapping really, it's like gonna be in a bag. But let's get ready. I need to tidy my room first, and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna try and get the 12:25 bus. That's the plan. Vlog is changing all the time. I need to change my bedding when I get home because one of the dogs has peed on it. And then I found some Prime in Asda, so I'm going to try it in this vlog later on. But for now, I'm going to New Look. Got some clothes to try on. They're in the sale. This is a size 12, but I do not know if it's gonna fit, but we will find out. So I tried on the trousers and they did not fit. I'm gonna try it on at 16, but this is the top, and I'm not I think it is more for like skinny girls, and I like the feel of it, but it's just not my thing. The other top, again, I don't think it suits me, but I like the colour. This is also a size 18 though, so that's why it's really big. But I don't think I like it. So I just filmed a little like Valentine's outfit idea, and now I'm going to film the rest of the Prime TikTok. Now let me know in the comments, I am adding these TikToks in this vlog as a way that I've not done it yet, but I have a vision. Let me know if you like the vision and you like the idea of loads of the same video as a landscape video. That's landscape, I think. I'm just trying to get back into posting on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, getting into the routine of that. So I feel like the best way to do it is when I'm filming a TikTok and I'm vlogging at the same time, but I can't do both at the same time. Add in the TikTok like that. Let me know what you think. But I'm going to do the rest of the Prime and the Prime drink, and you will see my reaction on how I feel about them, like how I like them. Let me show you the ones that I've got, and then I will put in a clip of me trying it from my TikTok. So I got these ones. I got Tropical Punch. One of my friends said this is not really nice, so I don't know. And then I got Blue Raspberry. So I'm going to try this one first. This one is Blue Raspberry. The blue one's actually quite nice. I'm going to do the red one in another video. So I finally got my hands on the Prime. Now I've already tried the blue one, so let's try the red one. I do not like the red one. I prefer this one. So I tried them out, as you have probably seen my reaction. I prefer this one. I won't be drinking it all because it is nearly 6 o'clock. So I might have that tomorrow. That one's really nice. I quite like that one. It's not like the favourite drink that I've ever drank, but it is actually quite nice. This one, regret. If I did not drink out of this one, and obviously that was the point of testing it, I would generally sell this one because it is rank. So I'm going to go and see if my family like this one, and if so, they can have it. Because Tropical Punch gets a no from me. It is disgusting. Disgusting. It's not like the worst thing on the world. Let me try it again. I did my first reaction. One, the smell is really strong. It's very overpowering. Like, yeah, it's just very overpowering, and I don't like it. And it's just like if you drank, it tastes like fruit, but like a very overpowering taste. Like, it tastes like Tropical Punch, don't get me wrong, but it's very Tropical Punch. Very there. Not like just, oh, that's nice, that's a bit of Tropical Punch. That is Tropical Punch. Like, I will recommend to everyone to try these if you can get your hands on them, but if you would rather pick only one, because I know some places they're selling them for low, like ridiculous prices, like £15 for one drink. These were each of these were £2 each in Asda near mine, so altogether I paid £4. So I'm saving quite a lot compared to other people. But if I got them again, I would get this one, not that one. That one's revolting. So I would recommend getting this one instead of that one. So I am buzzing right now. I didn't think I'd be ending this vlog like this. Now I'm gonna do a pamper night for Valentine's Day, so I will show you all the things my sister got me for Valentine's Day in that vlog. Gonna have a pamper night tonight, but I couldn't not tell you guys because I want to get this vlog up today for Valentine's Day. But I'm going to see Harry Styles. I'm so excited. I am buzzing. I cannot wait. You best believe I am getting all the videos, all the vlogs. We've got back standing, so not the front, stand in the back. But I've went to North East Live. If you remember when Capital did North East Live, I went the 2 times they did that, and we would stand in both of the time. And I wouldn't say we were right at the, but one of them we were right at the front, to be honest. But the other one, I wouldn't say we were right at the front. So one of them we were right at the front, but the other one we wasn't. I wouldn't say we were still standing. As you can tell, I am excited. But and I'm going to see Lewis Capaldi as well in September. And we're going to see a comedian, Jimmy Carr, as well. So this year so far is looking up, and it's I'm buzzing. This is better than having a boyfriend. This is best Valentine's Day present to myself. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a mixture of everything. A lot has happened in this vlog. My dog has peed on the bed at some point, so I need to change my bedding. I finally found the prime drink, and the red one is disgusting. The blue one's quite nice. Don't need it right now though, I've got all the energy I need. And then I bought Harry Styles tickets this morning. Well, technically this afternoon, but still. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you with a brand new one soon.